Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Now Wet n Wild launched these eyeshadow palettes sometime in December and they've only just become available to buy in India. I will leave a link down in the description box below about where I got mine. This palette contains 10 different shades and I will show you the swatches in just a minute. I got the shade Rosé in the Air, but there are also 3 other shades of this palette that they have. Now this palette retails for $4.99, which is really good for an eyeshadow palette. Also, if you notice carefully, they've got 2 transition shades right here, which are great. And all the other shades in the palette just really seemed very general and nice to me, and that is why I had to get this one. I will insert a picture right here of what other shades are available. So here guys is the swatches of this palette. These 2 at the start and the end are the 2 transition shades, and I also love this glittery rose gold shade. Now another thing I realized while I was swatching these are they're very pigmented, so that is amazing, but they're also a bit powdery. So when you're gonna apply eyeshadow, you want to be a little careful of the fallout. So all in all, I think this is a great eyeshadow palette. Also, if you notice on the back of this, they've given 2 pictures of day and night eye looks that you can follow along, and they've numbered all the shades right here since the shades don't have names. So the fact that they're offering 10 really pigmented eyeshadows at such a low rate is amazing. So if you're on a budget, you would definitely want to get this eyeshadow palette. Also, I've seen a lot of videos recently comparing this to the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and there is a huge price difference between those 2. So if you're new to makeup and you want to try something out, I would say this is 100% the palette for you. Also, did I mention that I did today's eye look using this palette? So if you want to know how I do it, just keep watching. I'm going to start by applying this shade all over my lid. Next, I'm going to put this transition shade on my crease. Next, I'm going to put this shade under the transition shade. Next, I'm going to put this shade on the outer corners of my eye. I'm going to apply this shade at the base of my eye where we haven't put any other eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply this golden shade on the inner corners of my eye as well as my brow bone. Now for my lower lash line, I'm first going to apply the brown shade and then I'm going to apply this shade under it. Next, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Colossal Kajal to my waterline. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So this is the final look, you guys, and overall I would say this product is great. It has really good pigment and it is definitely worth its price. So if you are thinking about getting it, go right ahead. It is amazing. And this is all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below and let me know what other videos you want to see me do, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
So all in all, I think I really like the color.